Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing your clip and duplicating the layer so you keep a safe original. Next, make sure the comp matches your footage resolution and frame rate. This avoids scaling artifacts. Once done, set the copied layer to the top and open the Effects and Presets panel. You will apply keying and matte tools next, so prepare a simple solid or checker background for previewing transparency. Make sure RAM Preview is enabled to watch real-time. You now run Keylight and sample the black background as the screen color. Keylight treats it as the key target. Once keyed, use Screen Gain and Screen Balance to control how aggressive the key is, and switch to Screen Matte View to tune the white/black clip thresholds for cleaner alpha. After that, return to Final View and add Refine Matte and a small matte choker to smooth halos and thin edges. Make sure to toggle between frames to avoid popping artifacts. You finish by placing your new background layer under the keyed clip, then adjust color correction, exposure, and add subtle grain so the subject blends naturally. If parts remain dark, pre-compose the keyed layer and experiment with Illuma or Track Matte to isolate problem areas, then paint or roto small sections. Once done, render a short MP4 test. If edges flicker, enable temporal smoothing or interpolate frames to stabilize the matte. Lastly, save incremental versions so you can revert if a fix introduces new issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.